The metaverse is not just fun and games, it has some huge potential. Many entrepreneurs and startups have taken advantage of this fresh yet potent industry. It seems crazy and stupid to not give it a try. But the question is, how do you make millions of dollars from Metaverse? And you will know the answer by the end of this video, so make sure to stick around till the end. Why Metaverse has potential for business. So, in today's video, I will be talking about 3 of the most profitable Metaverse business ideas that can make you a millionaire. However, first we need to talk about why Metaverse has that much potential and why you need to start right now. Web 3.0 is at the very stage where Web 2.0 or the internet used to be. When the internet was at its development point, there were people who were taking action and building websites for their businesses, like Amazon for books. At the same time, there were people saying, why do I need to build a website for my company when I can sell locally? Why do I need to buy books online when I can buy them from a bookstore? But guess what? There were some people who started early back then and didn't say why, instead they did it. And those are among the richest and most respectable people in the world right now. In the very same way, people right now are saying, why do I need to invest in crypto? Why do I need to trade NFTs? Why do I need to start a business on Web 3.0? But trust me, those who took action 3 years ago and those who are taking action right now will be successful enough to say, I am glad I didn't miss the chance. That is why you need to start, and you need to start early, and today's video will give you the direction you need. Welcome to NFT Hub, where we regularly make engaging and informational content about the crypto and NFT world. If you are interested in making money through Metaverse, make sure to watch the full video. Number 1. Virtual events. Moving on to the most profitable and efficient business ideas in the Metaverse, we have virtual events at number 1. Virtual events have gained immense popularity in the past 2 years, especially during the pandemic. For instance, in April 2020, Travis Scott carried out a concert virtually in the famous game Fortnite. He performed as a digital avatar, while around 12 million fans were present in the audience in digital avatars as well, in a virtual space inside the game. However, with the Metaverse, we can attend virtual events as if we are physically present there.
We create the world of the dream.
How exciting is that? With this possibility, virtual event planners can now use the immersive experiences in the Metaverse to carry out such events where you can physically attend them. One huge advantage of virtual events like these is that you just need to buy the tickets to the event. You are not bound by geographical or physical limitations, and you can attend it using your ticket from your home. Another advantage such events hold is in business meetings. Instead of 2D meetings using your laptop camera, you can now hold meetings in a 3D space in the Metaverse with the help of digital avatars. Even Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, approves of this concept and thinks that this transition from 2D to 3D business meetings is positive. Now, let's talk about how you can earn money from such events in the Metaverse. If you own land in the Metaverse, or you can even rent it, you can hold an event there. You can get buildings constructed there like a stadium or a club. What you need to do is monetize your events. Here are a few ways you can monetize your events. Number 1, sell premium tickets. All you need to do is make packages. There can be a basic package, an advanced package, and an all-in-one premium package. You can charge different prices for these categories. Number 2, sponsorships. With this Metaverse virtual event, you can go beyond traditional sponsorships where you just mention their name. Now you can provide sponsored host sessions, banners, and sponsor messages through the Metaverse. Number 3, you can sell merchandise during these events. Number 4, or you could do affiliate commissions. Number 5, and sell on-demand content. Similarly, you can go for other ways to monetize your events, and all of this can sum up to a lot of money.
Just you watch. We'll be a bigger success than Richard Branson.
Number 2, Metaverse real estate. For number 2, we have real estate on the Metaverse. If you personally ask me, then real estate is the best business idea on the Metaverse if you aim to earn millions. Metaverse real estate has shown some quite satisfying numbers till now and will continue to do so. In 2021, the Metaverse real estate sales hit $500 million, and in January 2022, they totaled out to be $85 million just in 1 month. The reason I say that this is the best business idea for the Metaverse is because of the endless possibilities with the land. Malls, galleries, stadiums, and whatnot. To the point, a man bought Snoop Dogg's neighborhood land in the Sandbox Metaverse for $450,000. And his land is constantly increasing in value because Snoop Dogg is attracting traffic to the land due to visitors. You can invest in Metaverse real estate by following these steps. Step 1. You need a digital wallet using which you will make the purchase. Step 2. You need to select the Metaverse platform that you want to join, for example Sandbox or Decentraland. Think wisely before diving into a platform. Do your research about the pros and cons of that platform because you don't want to regret your decision later on. Step 3. For this step, you need to do your research on which land to buy, as every land is a piece of NFT on the blockchain, most probably the Ethereum blockchain. You need to consider a lot of factors such as geographical value and attractiveness of the land, as well as its pricing as compared to the others in that category. Step 4. You need to figure out whether you are buying the land for resale. Do you want to rent it to companies, or do you want to keep it and utilize it yourself? Step 5. Connect your wallet to the platform and make the purchase. The land will appear in your digital wallet as an NFT. You can open anything you want on the land, or just wait a few years and sell it at the highest potential. Number 3. Virtual gaming. Moving on to number 3, we have virtual gaming. If you want to do something besides real estate in the metaverse, virtual gaming should be your top priority. The world is spending billions of dollars on the gaming industry. Whenever a realistic game is launched, people go crazy. And the reason is that they feel as if they are part of that virtual world. Remember when PUBG skyrocketed in fame and just broke the gaming industry? People loved it because it made an almost real sensation for them. Now, imagine what would happen if you told those PUBG lovers that we can give you an experience where you can play in that world, talk in that world, fight in that world. And you basically live in a virtual world, not in a 2D less realistic virtual world like PUBG, but in a 3D more realistic world. I think that gaming could be the most successful business in the metaverse, and you can earn millions if not billions from it. But how to do that? Simple. Make a game. A game that has an engaging storyline, awesome characters, and badass abilities. You don't need to build it and code it yourself, you just need to invest in the industry as you do in other businesses. The thing is, you can go wild with your ideas, just like you can do with NFTs. You can monetize your games in different ways, like by adding paid ads or royalties to your game. A few years back when VR gaming came out, you could play games like tennis, bowling, and archery using a VR headset and joysticks. Metaverse gaming will take that to the next level. People will be looking forward to playing games like those with their friends in the metaverse. Let me know what business idea you think is better, and would you like to invest in Metaverse or not? Watch our video to learn about Solana NFTs as they are going to skyrocket in 2022. That's it for today. See you in the next one.